Okay, so in this video we're going to be looking at finding equations from gradients and y-intercepts. So from previous work we've had this y equals mx plus b heaps of times now, and we've seen from previous videos that the coefficient of x is the gradient and the constant number is the y-intercept. Okay, so we've had that heaps of times already. So let's come across when you're ready. So this is pretty easy now. So given the values of gradient and y-intercept, what are the equations? So the general form is y equals mx plus b, and in this particular case the gradient is 2 and the constant is 3, and so that's the equation. In the second one, y equals mx plus b, so I've got minus 1x because that's the gradient plus 0. Now that's a pretty untidy way of writing the answer, so we just say that that is minus x. Okay, you don't have to write a coefficient of 1, and you definitely don't put plus 0. Okay, so copy those and come across when you're ready. Okay, so in the previous page we were given m and we were given b, and now we've got a sketch. Okay, but it's still very straightforward. Okay, so again, y equals mx plus b. So we just have to find the gradient and we have to find the y-intercept from the sketch. So in this particular one, that one equals the y-intercept. And how do you find the gradient? Is you just make a little triangle. So make a triangle, put a little box in the corner. It's rising 5 and it's running 2. The line is heading to the right, so we say that the gradient is positive 5 over 2. So don't worry about this negative sign. We just say that it's running 2 and it's rising 5 and it's positive because it's heading up to the right. So b is 5, m is 5 on 2, and so the equation is 5 on 2x plus 5. Next one, that's the b. Make a little triangle. Okay, the line is heading to the left, so the gradient will be negative. So b is 3. The gradient is a negative because it's heading to the left. The rise is 3. Ooh. The rise is 3. The run is 4. It's negative because it's heading to the left, and so the answer is minus 3/4 x plus 3. Okay, so I might get you to do one yourself before we finish this video. Minus 7 minus 3. So I want you to pause the video and have a go, write out the equation that goes with that, and come back when you're ready. Okay, that number there is the b. The line is heading to the left, so the gradient is going to be a negative number. You make your triangle. So the rise is 3. The run is 7. You don't worry about these negative signs. Okay, the rise is 3, the run is 7. It's heading to the left, so it's a negative. b equals minus 3, and so the answer is minus 3/7 x minus 3. That's it. Okay, thanks. Bye.